Hey there, AI enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting episode of All About AI Tech. Today, we're diving into why Australian organizations are absolutely buzzing about Microsoft Copilot for 365. From productivity boosts to potential pitfalls, we've got it all covered. So, make sure to stick around because you won't want to miss this. So, why is Microsoft Copilot catching everyone's attention down under? Well, according to Microsoft, 70% of Copilot users report feeling more productive, and there's a whopping 29% increase in speed with tasks like searching, writing, and summarizing. Imagine getting your work done almost a third faster. Pretty incredible, right? Many major Australian organizations are already on board and participating in Microsoft's early access and pre-launch testing process. Names like AGL, Data3, Bupa, NAB, and Suncorp are part of this exciting journey, trying to get ahead of the curve. But before we get too carried away, let's talk about something important: avoiding the gotchas. Gartner recently published a report outlining some challenges, or gotchas, that companies need to be aware of when implementing Copilot. These are grouped into 4 categories: administration, security, information governance, and user experience. First up, administration. Organizations might face greater risk and costs if they don't properly configure settings, if the reporting tools lack granularity, or if they don't fully understand how to extend Copilot and manage costs. Imagine the complications that could arise just from not knowing how to set things up correctly. Anyone else here ever had tech issues because they missed a tiny detail? Next, let's talk security. Poor management of Copilot can lead to overshared information becoming exposed, and let's not forget, there are new attack surfaces to monitor. A study by Microsoft showed that experienced security analysts using Copilot can work 22% faster and 7% more accurately. Pretty impressive, huh? Ensuring those new attack surfaces are secure is just as crucial as the speed and accuracy gains. On to information governance. Without prioritizing content sources or managing the new retention and compliance challenges, you might not get the quality responses you were expecting from Copilot. Think about it. If your content is a mess, how can your AI assistant help you effectively? And finally, user experience. Assuming that everyone will immediately embrace Copilot can be a huge mistake. Many organizations report that change management efforts are higher than expected. Getting people on board and comfortable using any new technology always takes more effort than we think, right? So, what's the takeaway here? Australian organizations need to perform thorough due diligence before rolling out Copilot. Understanding how it will be used, who will have access, and why they need it are essential steps. This due diligence will help avoid inefficiencies, unexpected expenses, or even a drop in productivity. Now, where does Australia stand on the AI adoption curve? According to Gartner's Senior Director Analyst Nate Suda, Australia is not significantly different from the rest of the world in terms of Copilot uptake or potential gotchas. It's like digital transformation or cloud computing all over again. A lot of hype, but also a lot to figure out. There's also a lot of pressure on everyone in the C-suite. CEOs and CIOs are under pressure to explain their AI strategy to shareholders. Many organizations want to move from proof of concepts and minimum viable products to seeing real ROI now. No more playing around. It's time to get serious about AI. Copilot is seen as a strong opportunity to move forward on AI projects, but chasing ROI can lead to falling for one or more of the Copilot gotchas. Every project starts with a lot of excitement, right? But sustaining that momentum without falling into these pitfalls requires careful planning. Microsoft has been working closely with Australian businesses through its Copilot development. In September 2023, a diverse range of organizations, including Australian Super, Powerlink Queensland, and TL, adopted Copilot to strengthen their cybersecurity capabilities. This isn't just about making work easier. It's also addressing critical areas like cybersecurity where every second counts. The ROI here, according to Microsoft, is that experienced security analysts are 22% faster and 7% more accurate with Copilot. It's also a great tool to help upskill less experienced cybersecurity professionals, addressing the ongoing skills shortage in security. The impact isn't limited to the private sector. The public service sector is also moving on Copilot. Over 50 agencies have started a 6-month trial, with more than 7,400 public servants using the technology. Chris Fechner, CEO of the Digital Transformation Agency, emphasized the goal of leveraging emerging technologies to deliver secure and modern data solutions by 2030. As companies move beyond the trial phase and start integrating Copilot into their processes, the question remains, will these projects deliver? Or will organizations find themselves tripped up by the gotchas? The key here is strategic deployment and ongoing evaluation to ensure that you're getting the value you expect. Remember how digital transformation was the big thing a few years ago? According to data published in 2020, 70% of digital transformation projects failed to deliver value. The same risks apply to Copilot. Being strategic about your review, deployment, and measurement can save you from falling into the same traps. Before we wrap up, I just want to say how much I appreciate all of you who watch and support All About AI Tech. Your engagement and feedback are what help us improve. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. And hey, leave a comment below to share your thoughts about Microsoft Copilot. Are you excited about it as much as we are? We're building a community here of people who are passionate about AI and tech, and your participation means so much. Also, if you have any suggestions or topics you want us to cover, let us know. We're all ears. With your help, we can continue to bring high-quality content that keeps you informed and entertained. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay curious, stay informed, and let's keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. See you in the next video.